All right, here we're going to get back to some good old-fashioned belly dancing. So we're going to have hips and shimmies, and it's a little drum solo, and I call this section Finding the Light. The joy is coming back. We just came out of hope, and now we're finding that light again. So one of my all-time favorite things to do. So here we are. We're going to be in this pose, and we're going to go I want you to sort of start off slower and smaller, and then let it build. Just front and back. And then you can build that energy up and down, right? So build that energy up as the hip is going front and back. So we're not going to be kicking the foot. It's just the front and back with the hip. But I want the energy to come in a little bit lower than build up, because you're going to hear the sound. It's like that drum is coming out from under the water. You're going to hear it's a little bit muffled in the beginning, intentionally so. So we're just like finding the light here. So we go. Doom doom deka deka doom deka 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 doom doom deka deka doom deka 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 doom doom deka deka doom deka 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 doom doom deka deka doom deka deka. We're front. We're going to lock down. Front and back and lock, lock, and 4 corners. Side, front, left, relax. Don't go far too back. We go lock down, lock down, lock down, side, front, side, down. We'll come up. You can come up on the balls of your feet if you want, or stay flat. Lock down as you go around on the left. 1, 2, step. It's like a quarter turn, not even a full turn here. We come on the side. Hands are down. Camel shimmy, pelvis shimmy. Full body, chest and pelvis. Reverse shimmy, shoulders. Camel shimmy, pelvis. Reverse, shoulders. Up, down, over. Up, down, over. With the shimmy, of course. Up, down, over, up, down. You only have 3 of those. On the 4th one, we go up, down, cross turn. Cross with the left, turn to your right. I like to spot back one on that turn because I want to end on the back, and I'm going to take a loop. I'm going to take a horseshoe. Up on the balls of your feet. Hip shimmy, 3/4. Take a walk. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here, I come here. Going to come down. Hip shimmy with a level change. Maybe your level change ends right here. That's okay. Or if your legs are strong, core is engaged, you're going to come all the way down, but keep that shimmy going. Don't get halfway and don't throw your shoulders over, please. Keep that hip and shoulder in one line. Take it down. Hip shimmy. And I go down, up, step. And that's just going to be our transition. We're going to get that hip drop going again. Let it build with energy. Then we lock down. Lock and lock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lock, take it around. Double. 1, 2, step and turn. Camel shimmy, pelvis, reverse, shoulders. Camel shimmy, pelvis, reverse, shoulders. Up, down, take it over. Up, down, take it over. Up, down, take it over. Up, down, cross, turn, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here. Come into that diagonal corner, and hip shimmy down, keep that shimmy going, throw the head, and step up, and you're ready.